On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to install a new StartStop button on the E91, which is parked right in there, I think, because the original one is washed and you cannot see anymore the writing, and I received a new one, the car is right in there parked, and no more talking, let's start the video. When I thought that we cannot work on cars, surprise, surprise, I received my StartStop button, in here, because I want to replace the original one. See that? It's completely gone. The color, the paint on the button is gone. I hope it's going to fit, because this one has carbon fiber stuff on the around. Oh yeah, it's going to fit. And I wanted to buy a black one because I want to put everything original, back. So it's going to fit. In order to replace this button, we have to take out the whole trim, for that we have to open the door. Kiki, you can open the door, and we have to start from this side. Kiki, try with this one, just a second. You have to have a trim tool. This side, Kiki, so between the trim and the dash. Try now. And now you can pull with your hands. The whole trim with your hands. Like that, and then you will come in here. Don't be afraid, it's not going to happen anything wrong. Okay, see that? Now the whole trim is coming out, and we have to take the connectors. Okay, stop right there. Just put it in one side. I think I have to do that, and I'm gonna show you after that. You have to push the whole button from outside to inside, and here take the connector out, and we are good to go. In fact, I've changed my mind. I just removed the start-stop button. You just have to push it from inside towards outside, and it's going to pop up. You will have these plastic holders. Okay, now let's tear this apart to replace this button. Now Kiki is gonna show us how you can remove this. This is the button. You have to remove this trim first, the silver one. And in order to remove this, you can see in here we have some indents, in there. And you just have to pry it out, Start with one dent, and after that go around, and the whole trim is going to come out. And the same thing for this button on the side of the button. I hope you can see. Hold it like this. I hope you can see. Oh, focus. See that in here you have to use a small screwdriver, and it has like something like this. I'm gonna show you on the new part. See that? This slides over some plastic tabs, and it's going to stay in there, and you have a guide pin, so you cannot put this wrong. Now we are going to take this out and put the new cover, and pretty much that's about it. With the cover now removed, this is the old one, the same guide pin, we can install now the new one. Kiki, do the honors. You have to search for that guide, for that pin, I think, in there. And job done. That's about it. Okay, now you have to put the trim back. The same, it will go one way. And just like this, we have a new start-stop button. We are going to install everything back and see if the car will start. And it should start, because we didn't change anything. Now I just have to put the plug back in. This is the plug, yeah, and we are going to start the car. Before we put back everything, yeah, we are going to test if the car will start. Yeah, I've put the connector, of course, back. Let's see now. Yeah, it's working. I didn't press the clutch, but yeah, job done. Let's put everything back together now. Kiki, we just have to push, but I'm going to start in here. Just a second. And after that we are going to press it. Oops, something is wrong in here. Good. Nice. Problem solved. Now you can clearly see the difference here between the new one and the old one. Yeah, it looks way better. I think when you put the lights on, this should be illuminated, but not sure if I can see something. Yeah, it is illuminated. Okay, it's working as it should be. Okay, problem solved. And with all of that being said and done, yeah, we are ready with the E91. Now we can search for a new project car. But this coronavirus is affecting all of us. Yeah, we have to stay home. I cannot buy any car because it won't be delivered at home. Yeah, I cannot make the insurance for the transit because the insurance company don't work. So anyway, it's kind of complicated for now, but the E91 is done, and we can search, of course, for another project, but we have to wait to start the new project till everything goes to normal. Yeah. So anyway, if you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.